The nationwide push to bring gun safety changes continues on Capitol Hill. The Senate unveiling what would be a landmark bipartisan gun safety bill if passed. Rekha Mudaraj is live in the newsroom now with what's being considered. Rekha?
Hey, Mia. Well, Texas Senator John Cornyn is one of the lead negotiators for this bill. It addresses issues like mental health, school safety, and illegal gun purchases. He spoke moments ago on the Senate floor presenting the proposed legislation. Now, Cornyn says it impacts only violent criminals and those declared mentally ill, but he emphasized that law-abiding gun owners are not the problem and have a Second Amendment right to purchase a firearm. The plan also includes improving availability for mental health care and creating stronger school safety measures. And there's another provision in light of the shooting in Uvalde.
Our provisions also include a review of juvenile records for buyers under the age of 21. In Uvalde, Salvador Ramos was able to pass a background check only because no one had any insight, official insight, into his tortured background. We need to know before somebody walks in and buys a firearm when they turn 18, what their mental health and criminal record history looks like to the extent feasible.
Cornyn says he believes this bill will save lives. In the meantime, the House also passed a wide-ranging gun control package last week, mostly along party lines. It includes a ban on the sale of large-capacity magazines and raising the minimum age to buy a semi-automatic rifle from 18 to 21. But this bill has an uphill battle when it comes to gaining enough support in the evenly divided Senate. Mia?
We'll see where the proposed legislation goes from here. Rekha, thank you.